Hey everybody, Phil 33 Mile Bees, coming back. Well, 2 weeks in a row. Today I am checking a couple of my hives. You can see the fluorescent green ones here. We got some shallows. I am doing cut comb this year. Put out 8 boxes of cut comb. I had to order to fill, and basically a pre-order of as many as I can possibly get. So I told them I can put out 8 boxes, no guarantees on what I'll get out of it. But figure take you along. First time I've been back into the hive to see how the cut comb is doing. Put it on probably about 3 weeks ago. All right, so up top, there, that honey super is full. You're capping everything. All right, that one's full. But what we are looking at, next one down. All right, see what we got. If anything like what I would guess is probably the 2 outside frames are probably not going to be drawn out very good. So we'll go to the middle, see if they'll draw them out a little bit better. So let's go right over here. See what we got. And this is the first time I'm looking at these for cut comb. They're not doing that bad. A little wonky, but they are pulling them out good. All right. Usually your middle ones here are your best ones. They're doing good. So again, these are going to be my cut combs. And first I wanted them, actually wanted 300 4x4 squares. But, they're even foundation, they're chewing the bottom of that off. All right, but yeah, so the 300, I doubt I could even get that many for him. I was going to try and get about 400 4x4 squares, but I don't. And some regular honey also, so it's stuff. So it's just going to be as much as I can. But I told them there's no guarantees honey I'll get. Kind of a little wonky. Straighten these out. And this one further inside also. So I put 8 boxes on, put them all on at the same time, the strongest hives. So we'll just leave this one. We'll keep drawing that out. Should be able to get a decent amount off of this one. But time will tell. So I made a short video here, but hey, what do you expect? Trying to do everything after work and in between chores and everything else. So that's what I got for today. And try and catch another one. I want to try and make another video On some of these hives, I'm going to take the queen excluder, shake all the bees down, and drop the queen excluder down to try and work on getting these down to a single deep, and let them let all the bees emerge and end up letting them backfill with nectar and get that all cured. That way it helps save on the amount of other boxes that I need for honey, because I am running out. So that's all I got for now. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.